Nowadays, people want pictures, not just of their children with Santa, but their pets as well. Many people consider their dogs and cats cherished members of the family, and local animal shelters are now offering this service, and they do so as a local they want for Christmas.
A lot of dog bones.
Ooh, dog bones.
Kitty treats.
Kitty treats, yum yum.
Yum, yum. And the hamster wants shavings.
Ah, and the ones that come from the shelter?
They want a home. They need a home. Please adopt them.
Okay.
You can't live your life without an animal.
I know, it's so true. Life is very better with a pet.
Makes life much better.
Right. Well, thank you so much for helping out today.
You're welcome.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to all, and adopt.
Thank you. Thank you, Santa. So we're here with Deb Balboni, who was a major help in getting this event going. I wanted to ask about what you did to get this event going and how it came about.
Basically, it's a pretty easy event to get. People are pretty good with giving money to animals, and everybody likes animals. The place that I work at, Balboni's Landscape Supply, we do a lot of charity work in the community, and we try to give back as much as possible. But this year, we thought it would be really helpful to give back to the animals. We're all huge animal lovers. There's a Balboni dog walking in with Kathy McGuire from Balboni Company.
Now, do you guys have any cats?
I've just adopted a cat in March, and I had lost my 17-year-old cat, and we went and got a rescue. And she's a work in progress, but it's been awesome.
Tell us your names.
It's Andrew and Edley.
And what is your name?
Scott and Edley.
And who's this?
Miss Bella.
Miss Bella. So Miss Bella is about to have her picture taken with Santa.
Yes, she is.
What do you think she is going to ask Santa for Christmas?
I think she's going to ask for more chicken jerky strips and some more kitty food.
Kitty food?
And a toy to go with her Brady Patriots doggy.
Oh, no kidding. That's awesome. So can you tell us a little bit about this cute little outfit she's wearing? She's adorable.
She's wearing her little Santa outfit with her bells on her collar.
Oh,
so
nice.
She jingles as she goes. And
nice.
she loves to be dressed up. So we had to come and have her all dressed up in her favorite Christmas outfit.